got a pretty good sound. It's just not really deep sounding.
Are you hoping that the new exhaust makes it deeper?
Yeah, it should be a little deeper.
Okay. Got a friendly cyclist in our way. Loser.
Alright, what's up guys? So the other day I found a used Exotic Speed RX-8 cat pack, and it also came with a mid pipe, but I've already got a pretty good one, so I don't need it. But this thing here is titanium mufflers, stainless piping, supposedly titanium tips. It's a pretty good system, full 3-inch, which isn't exactly necessary. It's not really going to increase the power. It'll just change the sound a little bit, which is more what I'm going for. All right. So I've already got an aftermarket exhaust on the car. It's unknown what it is. It looks pretty good. It sounds decent. I just want a kind of little deeper rumbly tone to it.
Does going to 3-inch give you that deeper tone?
Yeah, so 3-inch should, the pipe being a little wider, will allow more of those larger waveforms to pass through the exhaust. And this should also probably just flow a little better because it's not like the single pipe into an exhaust then splits it later. This is got on the flange here, splits into 2 separate mufflers. So I'm thinking we'll get a decent increase in flow, which will be a little better at the higher RPM, but it probably won't change any of the power of the car at all, given what's already on there. And it's a pretty complete system. All I had to do was buy some 3-inch universal gaskets, because this all uses universal gasket style stuff. Some 2.5-inch universal gaskets for the tips, and then just went ahead and got some like good, 10.9 grade zinc coated bolts, and we'll use plenty of anti-seize on those. Hangers are in good condition, so I didn't buy any new ones. So yeah, let's get at it.
Real quick, I'll just show everybody what the current exhaust looks like. So you get underneath, you get the big muffler there.
You can see that is a single pipe into the muffler compared to the other one.
Yeah, and this currently is just a 2.5 exhaust.
Right, so we'll be bolting up right here.
Yep.
The 3-inch pipe going back here to the new muffler.
Yep.
Cool, let's get after it.
Cool.
All right, so we got the first shroud off. So these are just kind of, you want to go slow with them. They're plastic tabs and everything. They're not too hard to remove. It's just get your trusty trim removal tool. You got 2 of the little plastic rivets, pop rivets. Just gonna pry those out, and then you're gonna carefully come around and just pop like each of the little tabs off around this shroud. It'll come right out. This may or may not be easy depending on how many miles are on your car, how sun faded these are, because they can get a little brittle if they sit in the sun too long. So just keep that in mind. That's why I kept around some spares of these, because I already broke one of the little pop rivets over there. So for your knowledge. Almost the Alek.
know what I mean?
There we go. Oh, I know that sound. One side.
So do you want to
Let's do.
Oh, okay. I guess I'll just wait.
Well, yeah, this is also better designed in that like there's actually room for everything to slide around.
My turn?
Yeah.
Sounds easy.
That was easy.
Installed.
If only getting them off could have been that fucking easy.
Dude, that was not.
Oh, look at how much better that already was.
Yeah, if only you could see it.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, let's hear what it sounds like inside the car.
Yeah, volume level's about the same. Just a little bit of a deeper, more of those deeper sounding tones.
It sounds nice. A deeper, a little more grunt.
Yep. Like it may open up the high end a little bit more.
That sounds nice.
Oh yeah, it sounds kind of smoother,
Yeah,
like less of like a burbly than that last exhaust.
yeah. How much throttle are you giving it there?
I didn't go wide open or anything. Get off your phone.
Yeah, they don't have right of way there at all.
Yep. Oh yeah. It's got that nice little low rumble to it. Oh yeah.
Tell me what your thoughts are.
All right, so exhaust is on. It sounds great. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. It's got a little bit more of a deeper, smoother rumble at idle. Just smoother. The exhaust doesn't really break up above like 6,000 like it used to with that old aftermarket catback. And you know, it sounds great. Like just clean exhaust note all the way through. I really like it. You know, the idea wasn't performance gains here. There's really not much to be had on an RX-8 with exhaust modifications. So it just sounds good, and that's all I wanted. So I'd give it a thumbs up. Exotic
Sweet.
speed, exhaust plus BHR mid pipe, great sound.
Nice. Yeah, and just for my input, it sounds a lot cleaner and like better resonated, and then it's deeper. So I think it's a big dub. Sweet.
All right.
Thanks for watching, guys.